Okay, second question. Is number odd or even language? Write two functions which checks a given number if the number is odd or even. Write your code using run is odd or even by. Asserts in the above should work if your functions work correctly. Okay, here, look at here. This is our file and it gives some asserts and we need to write code here. Let me save as this one as a backup so that it will here and write, for example, question 0.2. This is start. Here, I don't have this is odd. I need to create it. Let's say define is odd. Okay. And here I can write, for example, pass. Pass means do nothing. Then if I come below, I also need to create define this is even. Let me do it again. This is even. Okay. Then as you can see, these errors are not there. Let's say I have not defined them and try to run this code. Okay, I will get an error saying that isOt is not defined yet. IsOt is not defined. Therefore, I need to define it. Let's say I did not define is7. Then if I try to run it, this asserts this below is7. Again, say that is7. Now, first of all, I need to pass these parts, then I can do that. Let's say, let me pass them. It's ask for an argument, okay? Then I need to, for example, write a num here. And here, since I created this positional argument, isOt takes a 0 positional argument, but 1 is given. Okay, in this one, I'm giving a number for this one. Okay, then run without debugging. Okay, it will say that, okay, the assertion error, why assertion error? This 5 should be and true. Okay, say that. Okay, then here I can write if num1. This is the definition of odd. If it is not divisible by 2, if it is divisible by 2, a number is even. If it is not divisible by 2, it is a odd. Then here I can write return true and the other parts as return false. Okay. Then if I run this code, this is even is not defined since I am working with this part. Okay, I need to define is even. Then here is even, and for us is even, the definition will be completely opposite, and if it is 0, true, otherwise it's false. And let me, okay, run without debugging again, and this code will run without any errors and finish. Let me show with the debugging what happens. I'm using F5 to run this code. Okay, it will stop here in this line 15. Okay, I'm using this step into F11. Okay, then here I have this number, checking that is reminder is 1, return true. 11, reminder is 1, return true. Is odd, reminder is 1, return true. Is 21, reminder is 1, return true. Is odd 6, reminder is not 1, therefore this is not an odd. And is odd, not an odd, not an odd, not an odd, not an odd. Is even, it is 5 is not divisible by 2, therefore returning false. 11 is not divisible by 4. 19 not divisible by 4, 2. 21 not divisible by 2, and 6 divisible by 2, 12 divisible by 2, and 20 divisible by 2, and 32 divisible by 2. And this code finishes. This is the solution for question 2.